Hey guys, my name is Matt Perry. I'm an instructor here at the Automotive Department, and this is the collision repair shop. We have multiple areas here. This happens to be the frame and structural area, and around me you'll see multiple aspects of the collision repair going on right now. So these are our paint booths over here. Let's go check them out. Hey guys, now we're in the refinishing repair area where we spray water-based technology paints. These are some of the parts that we've sprayed here by students. Thanks for coming by and seeing what we do here at Hudson Valley in the automotive department. Thank you.